Addressing climate change is a global challenge, but it can be done through local solutions. In support of our city's climate action plan, the City of Chula Vista recently approved the Building Energy Saving Ordinance. This ordinance requires buildings that are 20,000 square feet or above, commercial and multifamily, to report their energy consumption to the City of Chula Vista, known also as benchmarking. Energy benchmarking for your building is not only good for the environment, but it can help facility managers and owners understand how much energy their building uses in comparison to other buildings of similar size and type. This may inform low-cost efficiency measures which can reduce monthly utility bills.
Buildings produce about 20% or a little bit more than 20% of the state's emissions, and so they are a key component of reaching our carbon emissions reduction goals. Benchmarking and building performance standards help us move buildings in that direction and help buildings be part of the solution overall to our climate neutrality goals. Benchmarking really sets the stage for going even further. Benchmarking is a necessary prerequisite, really setting a baseline for understanding where a building should go in terms of improving its energy performance. And so how to go from point A to point B, from the baseline to a very efficient building, is the subject of much innovation right now, among which I would include the Building Performance Program.
Benchmarking is important because California's existing buildings use 70% of the electricity consumption in the state and 50% of the natural gas consumption. Benchmarking is a transparency tool for businesses as well as cities, which they can then take to save energy, save money, save the planet, and run a better business.
Building owners and occupants are really benefited from something like a benchmarking ordinance or building performance standards because it's constantly improving the building itself. The California Energy Alliance was really founded on this premise of an outcome-based approach and building performance. And so energy benchmarking and building performance standards really help us bridge that gap between new construction and existing buildings. With having building performance standards in place, we're now able to really link some of the metrics of what's truly happening in an existing building and bring that back to the new construction codes so that we have a better understanding of how to model and design and then construct.
For the community, benchmarking really creates opportunities to reduce greenhouse gas emissions as well as set better, more efficiency standards for indoor air quality in buildings, so impacting both the occupants of the buildings themselves as well as a reduction in greenhouse gases really increases the opportunities for improved outdoor air quality for the rest of the community. The City of Chula Vista has been an integral leader in this space over the past decade, helping to connect our neighboring regions. So not just creating impacts for the City of Chula Vista, but also having rippling effects throughout the region of San Diego.
You can't manage what you don't measure, and so building benchmarking and then targeted performance improvements are just the right thing to do. We're all headed in the same direction in our carbon reduction journey. I want to congratulate Chula Vista for really playing a leadership role in this, and we as the state and the Energy Commission are going to learn from your efforts, and I'm very appreciative of the innovation and the intentionality of Chula Vista's approach.
If you're an owner or know an owner of a 20,000 square feet or above building in Chula Vista, to benchmark, please visit our website, chulavistaca.gov/benchmark.